So these are Jamaican grapes. You know, they're not very ripe. Who can guess what this is? What is this? Tell me.
Who can guess what this is?
What are those? What are these? Leave it in the comment section below. Welcome to part 2 of country vlogging with Rochelyn. Part 1, if you guys haven't seen it, go and check it out. This is where I handed over the laptop to Tavia, which you guys donated towards. So thank you so much, and thanks to SMS Smart Mobile Solutions as well. Now is part 2, and we're going in the bush. So let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
Blackberry. Is it a favorite blackberry?
Son of blackberry.
The blackberry sign. Let me show you then get it from. See tree, yeah? That's the plant.
Talk to me about the eringa. Where you get the eringa?
Yeah,
A coconut shell?
yeah. My friend make things from coconut shell.
So we're going bush. So everybody ready for the bush life. Mama, why you got so much bag for the bush?
How to put things in her?
Tavia will suit up in her. Tavia will suit up in her boots and her cutlass, ready for the bush life. You look like real Farmer Joanna, Farmer Janet. Every single rural community I go in, only one of my phones work from one network, and I have 2 phones and 2 different networks. Can you guess which one of them work? Guess. This is Kellen.
You do the video already when you did just plant them, but the pumpkins come over and them.
Ah.
Them there. Remember it was dry?
Oh yeah. There wasn't a lot of greenery the last time.
What's them, you know?
Yeah.
Alright. You go back down that hill there now. Cause you go through too much grass. So I go back up there, so.
Alright. We go down the hill.
Look where we're going on mine drop.
This time I came in my rubber shoes, coming out mashing up no more. I'm a sneakers then. And I'm a Crocs though, and a water boots. I need to buy water boots or country kind of shoes. You see all of them look alike? Are them my favor? What going?
I'm in the countryside.
Mama, what going? You not say nothing to the people then. People them love you, you know.
Hey! Mama once again.
I'm the Rasta friend.
Who can tell me what is this?
Pineapple.
Fine sucker.
Some pineapple.
The fruit is pineapple.
You're going to plant them too?
Yeah.
Yeah, much more bush there this time.
Yeah, green palms. That's a good.
What are these things on the ground?
Off the tree. Flowers.
Chin chin.
What the tree name?
Chin chin.
Chun chun.
Chin chin.
You know what chun chun is?
I have some bad news to give you.
What?
Dog killed 2 of my goats down there
Dog kill a goat?
Thursday. How much goat?
How dog kill a goat?
No goat?
How about them next?
How dog kill a goat?
Jump up and bite their neck, yeah. Wild.
2 of no goat?
So you go curry it?
No.
Boy, dog come from all over. Anything dog killed for that show.
Oh,
that
so?
dead and that show. This?
The owner. You see it now?
Don't step on it.
She color me.
Pepper over there, Sophia.
She color me.
Come, we have a pick pepper together.
Careful how you step. Yeah, I'm just planting.
Brown pepper? What kind of scotch bonnet this day? What them name? Brown pepper? Jesus, you smell it.
Raspberry.
Nigga sex.
Somebody, you know, what's the name of this thing?
Negro yam bug.
Migray Hamburg.
Negro yam. Nigger yam.
People call it nigger yam.
But like, when I was in Hollywood, I heard them.
Then they everywhere.
People tell me, then they tell me what the name. But
A different place, then call them
Different things.
because I never that them tell me.
Hey.
Yes. You see?
Hmm?
Look on them two big one the way left out this one.
We not pick all of them.
Yes, we have pick pepper for carry home. For me carry home.
June plum, the name June plum.
What?
You never know, it's June. Every month we in that's the name you get enough.
So when them August.
August plum, January.
Can't bother with you and your foolishness, you know. You just ever have some little story. So them green papaya can pick?
Yes, them fit.
So you know, so
Pick
them
couple more green one, Roshi.
They are.
It's a Portland. Apple.
Come now, pick couple more. Go back with your go. Same tree.
You see? I know apple time up here.
I you know me love how to eat the apple, you know.
See June plum over there, sir.
This one go over there, but I can't reach the tree.
Come, cinnamon leaf, everything their country. Everything up here.
That's why we don't get.
Coronavirus, this shit is real.
That here.
But this not plantain were ripe.
It's not ripe.
Why? How?
That's a different species of
White
plantain.
ripe, I look
If you
up.
look on the plantain trunk itself,
Yeah.
you realize it's red, not green.
Yeah, different from the one up
Yeah,
to one
yeah,
up.
And
So.
the one up there, so you see that one is
It's
green.
green. Mhm.
Right, so this is a different species of plantain. This one, the fingers are longer.
Yeah, what's it called?
One and bandit. One
So it's like to have a band-aid on the hand?
bandit. Bandit. One hand. It only carry one hand.
Only one finger banana?
No,
One hand of banana grow on
One
the street?
and a plant.
not banana though. That's plantain. One hand of plantain on the tree.
But me can't understand
So
how
but it yellow. So it's not
me
ripe.
can't understand how banana and plantain have hand. And when you are from the bar me about banana walk.
A finger.
walk
I told them supposed to have it.
Banana walk.
I mean banana should have toe. If them a walk.
Hey, don't walk, but they have hand. Understand?
No, but the body is the trunk, you know. Remember the tree is the trunk, so you have
It have all, it
have
have
finger.
all kind of
and you
body
have
parts.
the, you know the banana
Banana
head.
too, but it have
It have head, it
With
have
finger.
trunk, it not have no arm, but it have finger. When you take them off, you have
You know no foot, but it a walk.
It not no foot, but it have walk.
Yo, when I come in, you know, honestly.
Everything walk a country. And one thing run a country, but you not tell me how.
River run.
Where
We have mango walk,
Mango walk.
Aki walk,
Everything walk. Everything else walk.
Banana
River.
walk.
banana walk,
Only
only river run.
Oh boy, Jamaica.
Mama,
at that.
why you doing so much?
Look at that.
Well, porridge. Just drink porridge daily, you know.
Oh,
You
Yeah,
tell
me
it
a
to
look-
hand to the kitchen. Brush off
No,
the
sir.
No one did not make no more.
you have nutmeg?
Just a call.
Tavia, we have nutmeg.
No.
Cinnamon.
If you did that,
Oh,
eat the outer.
oh, it's easy.
One of them. You have to have two colors. When that appear, you know what?
You want?
Oh, it's easy apple. Mommy.
Me go plant it on a yard. Where you at? Come look on it. You catch it?
Yeah.
See there?
But this a little thing now?
Yes, but I'm not. We not seeing it. Hey, see look there. We no look there.
The
We no look there.
apple.
We have to get them. They can't get away.
You know, we will come up there, so.
So you never come.
You come now? You come all the way.
Good apple melody.
Yeah. Let me
Yes,
see.
sir. Wait,
Let me
Rashi.
catch you.
One and pepper.
Come catch up on it.
There, all the pepper. Catch pepper.
What
I have to put pepper in your pocket.
You never know pocket in my hand.
I did that gun.
I'm not longer sick.
Wait.
Use the machine.
Come and beat it up a while ago. Guys, this is...
Come rushing in. I will you up there now.
Woo!
You can get it from the other side.
Yeah.
You can get it from the
Call
other
it that one there first.
The one right there. So
Not Bertie, that one there.
no, not that. Another one is over there.
Look there.
Bird bite it too.
I can't eat them.
You go and see a bird.
Stop on mangoes.
Mangoes can't climb.
When you stay there, are some skillful mangoes. Can't bother with you now. This is Jamaican apple, guys. This is Otaiti apple. I don't know if it's anywhere else, but I know it's in Jamaica. And when I have no water right now, I'm gonna trust the tree clean, so I'm gonna eat it as is.
What is a vine run for like?
Chris, one more thing will run.
Let's finish this.
Vine run. Aha.
Vine?
Yeah. Pumpkin vine. Watch Chris another tree. Yeah man, go on to. Don't drop it out, don't make a catch a steer. Don't make a catch a steer.
Indian country Superman.
A monkey.
Yeah man, go on to. Don't drop it out, don't make a catch a steer.
Look down there, so it's one big one. Maybe you have to go to stamp it, make it drop on. Let me show you.
You just not bother drop. You make sure so you don't drop.
The ground the near man.
Come. How the whole tree you chop?
You have time for that. When people robbing by you, you don't have time for juke and bow, you know, chop to that. You juke it and make it bow. And then you take time to take it down.
When him bow, he may come back for you.
Some never know say you chop the whole tree forget out the plant.
Yeah.
You know just chop piece of the plant.
Water their pipe.
Rochelle,
Eh?
you never hear the phrase where say when plant no one dead it shoot.
No?
Well, I see it there now. Dead it shoot.
When he shoot inside beer, that means him have a dead.
Anyone dead it shoot.
Look. Green planting.
Oh, why? Don't stay so.
What is this?
Rain.
Old woman bitters.
So what it's for?
To clean out the belly.
What do you mean?
The bitter stuff.
Normally when ladies have baby,
Mm-hmm.
a day or two after they have baby, they always boil it and them. But when you tell us a bit time ago, they be hot to yours.
Outside clean out everything. Got it. Remember now and watch Ebola come. Watch him.
Yeah. Come Ebola. You see if the man come with you now, he not hurt you. But you see if you alone come down here, he bite you.
Oh yeah?
He's very protective of it.
Wow guys, this is the Chocha Harbor. So we're under it. And it's, what is it run pan? Wire? Light wire? Or just it's vines?
Wire.
Remember I showed this in the last country video?
Yeah.
And it was dry.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. It's about to start raining guys. As you guys know, we're in hurricane season. So it's a lot of rains. Even though we have drought, we still have rains at least these days. So rain come in the afternoons here in the countryside. It come in Kingston anytime, but usually Tavia says most in the afternoons these days. So we have to do everything we need to do quick before rain starts. So in the Chocha Harbor, and that is what it's looking like.
See?
This is 3. Look, the Tavia pick some chocha. Look at it. Nice.
So she pay $150 for something like this.
Yeah, you want to see what I pay for tomato there? Jesus. Things expensive, man.
So because them just have come now rushing.
Yeah.
I don't even know what it is.
So how you know say such a girl? Who come up with this? For no say for run pan the wire and do it that way.
Down
Yeah.
on the ground, it can go. The ground of a start it up.
But how I don't know this? It's just so fascinating.
But when it run on the trees,
Yeah.
it's out of your reach.
Oh, so I just come up with a way for this. But see some banana here, but them look young.
I was sleeping one night. My head. Mom, can I take it, please? I was sleeping one night when the Father vision I say, I want you to be another follower of I. So not up your ear and live a righteous life. And you will be blessed as a Rastafari. Long hair pretty people need not apply. No one, no old nigga, no Rastafari. Long hair pretty people need not apply. No one, no old nigga, no Rastafari.
Who sing that?
No more.
Who sing that?
Rascadi.
Oh. Mm.
And when you go downtown, you go look at work. You go look work, you know.
Oh.
And when you go, when I'm interviewing,
Them say my Rasta, same can't get to work.
he can't get the work. And he said when he take off in Tom and flash it like so, when I interview him run. Yeah, man, they don't come like the one with Etana sing. Wrong address.
Yeah, I remember that song. I remember that song. Yeah, it is. Unfortunately, sometimes you have to put, because they profile you a lot.
And time they may not discriminate.
Yeah.
Dreadlocks.
But the incident with them, because they're the national that they cannot.
Yeah, this is what I appreciate about rural life. The fact that we can just get food from the land, from everywhere around, and everybody usually just not very giving. You know, it's about to start raining, so we have to get going soon. Thank you guys so much for being here and being here with us. I hope you've been enjoying the video thus far. I hope you guys are, you know, trying to give the country vlogs and all the country vlogs. I'm going to different parishes soon in Jamaica, exploring like everywhere, or almost everywhere really. So of course I'm gonna take you guys with me, you know. But you know, just invite all your friends. And let's grow, let's build, you know, stay together. I'm say, my uncle pa feel phone. You don't think I'm the vlogger? Talk to you. What did I talk to yourself? I say?
Yeah, but I mean, I learn the thing, you know?
Yeah, learn the thing. Okay.
Yeah, vlogging of the country also.
Yeah.
Alright.
Alright. You guys, have you guys seen this guy online? I'm gonna pretend to be him. So these are Jamaican grapes. You know, they're not very ripe. Yeah, he was like, these are Jamaican grapes. No, they're not grapes, guys. They're guineps. They're guineps, but I don't know. This guy was saying they're Jamaican grapes, and let me just correct that for you guys who may have thought they were grapes. They're not. They're guineps. Not these with the hard shell.